The Notes feature from Instagram is finally rolling out to Messenger, and today in this video I'll show you how can you use it perfectly. So all you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, if you open Messenger and you find the new Notes feature right here, the same way you find our Instagram, that means you're one of the lucky ones and you can use it from this video after watching it. Now, if you do not have that feature, the best thing you can do is to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Messenger app updated to the latest version. After that, if you want to use it properly, just go ahead and open Messenger and it should look like this one. Go ahead and tap right here on top of your profile picture and then go ahead and write your note like you usually would on Instagram. Now, if you want to add music, tap on this music icon right here and then you can search for the song you're looking for or just find it right here and tap on it, choose the part you want to play and then tap on the tick and tap on share in the top right corner to post your note and also to post it with music. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.